So I decided to make a bike check video because I bought a gimbal today, and so I have a 2015 Cinelli mash. So I switched out the regular fork for an NV tapered fork. It's the Rode 2.0, and I specifically got it because it had the wide logo. So keeping the NV trend, I got this newer NV stem, and I run it at 90 millimeters. As for my bars, I found these edge bars on eBay, and I got them for $69. By now, you can probably tell that NV is my preferred component brand, and I just like it because it's carbon and it's reliable. As for my saddle, I run a Brooks Cambium C15 with some custom rivets or crivets. So my rear drivetrain consists of two EAI Deluxe cogs. I run a 17 most of the time, but I have a 15 for some special occasions. And I keep them on a KMC chain, which is pretty grimy, and I really need to upgrade it. As for my crankset, I run a Sugino 75 crankset with a Sugino Zen 48 tooth chainring, and I keep that on with some Sugino crank bolts. I don't have the Sugino dust caps, but those will be coming soon. And I spin on a campy bottom bracket, and I gotta say, so far the campy bottom bracket is really smooth. My foot retention consists of some mash straps, which are very nice and very durable. I run some All City gauges in size small. I have these on some matching All City pedals, and these are pretty old, but they're durable and they're red, so I like them. I have some H+N archetype wheels laced to some DT Swiss hubs, and after a year, I have really seen the durability of these wheels. I've put them through hell and back, and they are still pretty much true. I run a Vittoria Randonneur tire in the back, and in the front I have a Continental Gator Skin, which I love because it's super light. So I keep a few stickers on my bike. For example, I have the Wheel Talk sticker here. I also keep a Shut Up Leg sticker on every bike, including this one, but it might be time for replacing it soon. It's coming apart. And I keep a Fixed King sticker on my Cinelli logo, and I also have one on my NV fork, which is pretty cool because I don't really see people with this white one. And I also have this custom Columbus sticker, which I got from a homie, Loso Sick. It just really brings the whole bike together because it has all of the colors on my bike. And I also have this cannabis sticker, which I got from him. It also includes some Cinelli on it. And I also have this Speed Demon sticker, which is more of like personal. I don't know. I kind of just like it. I can't really explain why. It just looks cool. I also have this finger circle top cap, which I really like because it has all the three colors of my bike. Anyways, here's a little edit I got after reviewing my bike or whatever. I don't know, I guess enjoy.